the state ruler is governed by the checks and balances in the society. So Ghazali is talking about two sets of checks and balances on the ruler. One is the divine, in the category of divine checks, and the second is the secular checks. So with respect to the divine checks, he says that the king's rule is a trusteeship from the God. और अगर trusteeship from the God है तो फिर this king or the ruler is the person who is answerable to God. And if that is always on his mind, then perhaps he is going to follow the, let's say, actions which are ordained by God, or the actions which are in line with Sharia. Second is secular. So daily actions and decisions of the king are limited by the advice from the learned scholars. तो यहाँ फिर ये भी है कि उसके मशवरा देने वाले हैं जिनको वो उलेमा कहता है, और ये उलेमा जो है they also provide some kind of checks and balances with respect to the actions of the king or the ruler. तो ये एक तरह से बात वो सर्कल ऑफ एक्विटी की भी करता है, और looks at the saying of the sages, और गजाली ने कुछ इस किस्म की बात की है. The religion depends on the monarchy on the army on supplies on prosperity, and prosperity on justice. So that is how he starts with the religion as the foundation, then ends up with justice, and if this circle is completed, then the people are going to be prosperous, happy, and this is going to be an ideal, let's say, welfare state. So since Ghazali, checks and balances on the king have formed the bedrock of traditional Islamic political theory. क्योंकि यहाँ पर बात यही हो रही है कि बादशाह जो है अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. He has to be guided by Sharia, and he has to be guided by the ulema, and Sharia is looking for the welfare of the people, benefit of the people, and same kind of guidance is to be provided by the ulama. So when we talk about the circle of equity, the most complete statement about the circle of equity can also be seen in Ibn Khaldun, और कुछ इस किस्म का बात है कि there can be no royal authority without the military. So the king or the ruler cannot rule unless he has the power of military at his command, which is likely to look after the, let's say, defense internally as well as externally. So for military, there can be no military without wealth. अब military तो agriculture नहीं करे, उनका तो एक काम है for the defense of the country, internally and externally. उनको support करने के लिए again some other people have to work. And this is what he talks about, the wealth of the country. So subjects produce the wealth. और काम कौन करता है? ये जनरल पब्लिक करती है, सिविलियंस कर रहे हैं, और दे आर टू प्रोड्यूस द वेल्थ. और ये सारी चीज़ों को देखने के लिए वो कह रहा है कि जस्टिस प्रिजर्व्स द सब्जेक्ट्स लॉयल्टी टू द सॉवरेन. अगर जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको अदल मिल रहा है तो दे विल बी obedient to the rulers, to the king, and they will be loyal, and if they are loyal, then that gives strength to the rulers. Therefore, justice requires harmony in the word. The word is a garden its walls are the state. So the holy law, the Sharia, orders the state, and there is no support for Sharia except through royal authority. So that is starting from, let's say, religion, we move on to the actions, and this is how the circle of justice completes. So that in this way we see that social justice remains a challenge for the people, for the rulers, and these ideas remain a challenge for a well-meaning social scientist interested in global equity even today.